Okay, the coronavirus outbreak, first in China, then spread to the whole Wuhan province, and then spread to mainland China, spread to 31 states, then spread to one case in different countries, and now WHO has officially declared coronavirus to be a global disaster. There you go. So, and now in Thailand, coronavirus cases are being reported. Okay. So now, I'll give you an example. I asked my wife when I got up in the morning, let's go to Central. Central is a shopping mall where most of the tourists come, but there are some good restaurants there. So I told my wife, my wife is Thai. So I told my wife, let's go there to eat food. Okay. Normally on any other given day, if I would tell my wife, let's go to eat food there, she would jump out of excitement. Even if she was sleeping, she would wake up and wake the baby up, and she'd be ready before I could even say, do you want to go? Before I ask. Today, however, after I got up and I told my wife that let's go to Central. Mind you, in Central it's a major tourist hub. Okay. Ooh, see, I got cold. Okay. I know. Coronavirus video, the guy sneezing. Don't worry, you'll not get it from the video. It's not contagious online. So, yeah, virus is contagious through computers, but this virus is different. Okay. So, Central is a major touristy kind of spot where majority of tourists come, and it's a must-go area for especially the Chinese. Okay, Chinese tourists. So when I told my wife we'll go to Central to have food, normally where she used to jump with joy, she said, no, we'll not go. So I asked her why. When I asked her why, she told the simple answer, obviously, coronavirus. So I said, why are you saying coronavirus? She said, the Chinese are there, there's coronavirus, and many Thai people have been sick, the place is deserted, it's empty, and we don't want to risk. So I said, oh, okay. So what I did is I put a post in the community forum on Facebook about Central. I asked a couple of people. I also asked one of my friends, Thai friends. She works in one of the shops in Central. So I asked her, is Central having an epidemic or a lockdown? She said, no, there are normal people. People come to work. It's just that there are lesser people coming there. I said, okay. I checked with the community page. A few people got back to me saying that some said we prefer to be indoors. Some said it's a pandemic. Some said the newspapers are playing us and keeping information hidden because they don't want business to get ruined. Some others said that the government is simply hyping this media. Okay, whatever. So then what I did was I checked with whoever I knew who was there. They said they're going to work normal. I said, okay. Then after that, I don't know, I just casually told my wife, I'm feeling feverish. Oh my goodness, no sooner I said that, the blood on my wife's face drained away. She didn't even smile, she didn't even look at me. She said, what? And then I was like, oh shit, okay. I just remembered. I said, no, I'm just feeling, no, we have to go to the hospital. Oh my God. And she became paranoid. She rushed to take the face mask. She told me what baby will get and this and that. I was like, oh my goodness, just chill the fuck out, man. Whew. Just relax. I just said, I felt feverish. I don't have fever. Whew. Primarily because I sleep in an AC room. So when I wake up, you tend to feel, your body is warmer, which is normal. And like now, I sneezed. Oh, good Lord. See, being an atheist, I even said, Lord. So no sooner I said that, wife became paranoid, made my wife relax, chill the fuck out. Okay. Then I went for my run. Yeah, I was feeling a little tired today because you'll say coronavirus. I was feeling tired today because I slept at 4:30. Slept at 4:30, got up, heavy head. You sleep late, you get up, you have crazy sleep timings, you have all this shit. Okay. Now, the thing is, how much... Now, first let's focus on the main thing. This coronavirus pandemic spreading or epidemic spreading. Okay. It has affected a few people, yes. 1,000, 5,000, 7,000. Okay. Let's understand the context. 7,000 people in a population of 7 billion. Okay. Just check how many zeros there is. That's number one. Second one is, like, I have friends in Dubai. They were telling me that people are running to the pharmacy, buying boxes of that mask, and doctors are saying, no, you must wear the mask. In the elevator, people are wearing. Some ladies are telling their children to wear. What the fuck, yeah. See, I'll make you understand something, okay? I'll make you understand something. Now, the title of this video was, what? I'm planning to put, because I'm doing this video, most probably I'll put something like coronavirus epidemic, spreading in Thailand, and I have fever, something like that. I'll put something like that, okay? Now, I'm pretty sure, looking at the title itself, people will want to click on the video. Why? Because it is a video that is shocking, controversial, brings eyeballs, attention, makes you feel like, oh my God, shock and all. And that is what people love to click. That is what people love to hear. Like now, if you check the trending items, the only thing trending is coronavirus. I mean, on my YouTube feed, the trending items, number one was PC games, because I want to check which game to buy. The second one is laptops, because I searched that I want to buy. So Doom Eternal is going to launch. So that is also trending. And the only thing apart from that, which is all over my feed, is coronavirus. Every video that I put is coronavirus. CNN, BBC, Al Jazeera, YouTube, whatever. And people, the only messages people are sending me is also coronavirus. Nobody is sending me anything else. The only other thing people get in touch with me is jobs. Okay? Now, I run on the road. That's why I make this video. As I was running, I'm not joking. I'm not saying this for the sake of saying. I saw a snake. I saw a snake curled up this way and, there near the grass. And I tend to run to the side of the road. Now just imagine, what would I have died from? I would have died a greater chance of maybe that snake rather than this coronavirus. In fact, you see cars zooming. I would have died. The chances of me dying by a hit and run is far greater than coronavirus. The very same people who are busy putting these masks on children will be eating unhealthy, will be smoking, will be drinking, will be driving. These things will kill you much more than coronavirus. However, what do people subscribe to? Fear. I don't understand when people will learn. Fear is what sells. Trump talking about the terrorists, the jihad. We need to bomb these people. Weapons of mass destruction, George Bush. Selling diets. Oh, heart disease is a major killer. Oh, you need to keep yourself healthy. Now this coronavirus. Who is making money? The pharmacies are making money selling these masks. The company that is manufacturing this, they are not going to tell you that this is ineffective. They will sell. They will be more than happy because you're contributing to their bottom line. People will make money. Do you know that the prices of these face masks have increased even here? For what? It's like paranoia. I don't know when people will ever learn. Now the very fact, see, let's be honest. Why I put this video? Why did I put this video? Because not only is this a trending item, but because, you know, this is what everyone's talking about and this is what sells. Why do you think every media house is putting a shocking, headline after another? In fact, all these videos of Chinese eating, I just saw this video. A Chinese man, he takes a live frog, he bites the head off, rips the throat and slurps on the blood or the veins or whatever. They shared this video. You must have seen the video of this man eating live rats. You must have seen the video of that lady, cute little lady traveler who eats a bat. She had to apologize because of the backlash. It seems that she was responsible for spreading fear about the virus. I've seen a small boy eating tadpoles. So I've seen lady eating snakes. Then you have these videos about Chinese selling dogs, cats, animals, steam turtle, frogs, insects. Now, the funny thing is, so many countries do it. So many. It's not just China. You think people don't eat frogs? You think here in Thailand they don't eat insects and dogs and all that? They don't eat? Come on, man. Fear mongering is so stupid. In fact, now the new theory is that United States engineered this great virus to ensure that Trump would win the election. Some others send me a post that Obama has a cure for this. Bill Gates. Bill Gates has a cure for this. Some other people send me a link that Canada engineered this in response to a trade war. Oh my God. Devare. In India they say. Look, I'm not saying that it's not possible that they can have these kind of biological warfares and all that. But understand this, that if you do something like this, okay, the truth will eventually come out. And if the truth does come out, there is a price to pay. You think anybody in their right mind would want to try something like this against another country? You think there is no information to find out things? In today's day and age, you cannot hide anything. Please, my request to you, use common sense. Use a little bit of intelligence. Stop this fear mongering. The very fact that you clicked on this title is proof enough that even you want sensationalism. Even you want a shocking title. If I would title this video, Peace and Calm, Happiness, you wouldn't fucking click the title. If I would say that I'm healthy, you wouldn't click the title. If I didn't put I'm sick, you wouldn't click the title. But if I put the trending item, the stuff that you're thinking about, that you're worried about, the fear, coronavirus will grab your attention. Then if I say it's spreading, oh, you'll be like, oh my God. And if I tell you I'm sick and I'm putting the video, oh fuck, this guy is sick, I need to check it out. That's how internet-based companies, that's how newspapers, that's how news channels, that's how all of them make their money. Daily Mail Online is a great website with great stories, but with shocking headlines, shocking content, because that is what sells. That is what the public wants. People love shock. Right now, nobody is very interested in Kim Kardashian's cleavage, her butt, her boobs, her porno video. Nobody is interested in Trump's impeachment. Nobody is interested in China-US relation. Nobody is interested in the Iran war. Nobody is interested. They're only interested in coronavirus. That is the hottest item, and that is what everyone will talk about. So I hope you get a little bit of wisdom and understanding of how human psychology works. We thrive on things like this. People make money when they can prey on people's weaknesses, on their hopes. That's where religion comes in. That's where people spend billions to decorate the gods, donate to their favorite pastor, the church. Hope and the fear that, oh, sheesh, I'm going to die. God, give me a good life. Oh, I'll buy these medicines. I'll take these pills. I'll do this. That's how we are. So I hope this makes some sense, because listen, if you're really concerned about your health, really, stop smoking, stop drinking, stop driving recklessly, start eating healthy. No, that you will not do. That you will not do. Even though the data says that more than 15 million people have died every year by these, heart disease, respiratory problems. No, that is okay. But 700 people dying, oh, fuck, oh, shit, oh. Anyway, I thought I'd share this with you. Oh, fever. It's contagious. Whoa. Online. So if you're coughing, if you're sneezing, it's because I'm sending this magical virus, fungus, bacteria, protozoa. Okay? Put your comments down below. Give me a like so that you don't get coronavirus. And share the video if you want 10 blessings from the coronavirus anti-god. Anti-coronavirus god, yes. Okay? By the way, wait, before you go, I want to share this. I saw a video of a girl dancing naked in a bar, and people are holding the corona bottles. And she takes this bottle and puts it in her vagina, masturbates in it, and gives it to guys to drink. I'm not making this up. I wish I could share this video with you, but this is actual video that was shared to me. I shared it with my private groups, the adult groups. People are ready to do that with they don't mind putting their mouth, which is covered with the mucus that has bacteria of a female who is a sex worker. Just imagine, you're putting your mouth with that bacteria-filled slime of someone's vagina fluid. They don't mind drinking that. It's so funny. People go to Pattaya, which is a sex city, sex district, like that walking street. They will go have sex there. That is safe, not coronavirus. Human beings. Anyway, smoke a cigarette, drink alcohol, drive speed, but fear coronavirus. Take care.